Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just got an order from Nightingale Paper Company. I just took it out of the package, but I haven't, the postal package. I've been waiting on it before I finish setting up my planner. And it's been stuck in Orlando for several days. So I'm glad it got here before I ended up having to leave again, but this time for a work conference. So glad I got it. And I thought I'd open it here. This is my first time ordering from them. I seen several other people who have ordered from her. So yeah, here we go. So that's a cute little sticker that's on the outside of my packaging. It says, "Thank you for your order. You're the best." And this little character, she calls Winston. So I thought it was so cute, and I thought it really matched well with the Coffee Monster Co. stuff that I have. So I wanted some variety, and this is what I got. So I got a couple of, well, three vinyl, sorry, words. Words are tough. Vinyl stickers. This one says, "Don't forget to take care of yourself." And this one says word of the year, and I do the one little word project each year, and my word this year is moxie. So I will write that on there and put it in my planner. And this one says love never fails, 1 Corinthians 13:8. So I have those. And then I got a bunch of different things to use in my planner. So let's start. Oh, I got a little envelope of something. Let's see what. Oh, she sent a card. Oh, hi, Rachel. Thank you so much for ordering from my little shop. It really means the world to me. I hope that you love all of your new stickers. Amber. So if you're interested, I hope you can see that. It's kind of later here and dark, so I'm hoping that's coming through okay. So that is her shop. And if you couldn't see it very well and you want to know, just put in the comments that you couldn't see it and you want to know her shop address and stuff. So let's get right into it. I was going to start with these bigger ones. This one just says made it to Friday. And so it's got different little hats and stuff. This one is binging Netflix, which I do not do very often, but it's fun sometimes. This one is reading Winston, where he's holding a book. This is a travel one on a plane, and it shows the plane and Winston looking out airplane window. I think this one is crafting or planning Winston. This one is about haircuts, hair appointments, things like that. Alarm clock with a Winston peeking out from the side. Almost Friday. I feel that way sometimes. Maintenance for your car or truck or whatever you have. So like oil changes, tire rotations, and mechanic stuff. And I can't remember what this one is. I have to look it up. Oh, that's doctor appointments. So it's a Dr. Winston. Took me a second to see that. Meal Prepping Winston. Just a Winston with little hearts, holding little hearts. Laptop Winston. This is a Faith Winston. This one's just the various faces. This is Peeking Winston. Grocery shopping. This one is just different phrases. Whoops, sorry. Remember, anything is possible. Have patience. It will be worth it. The best is yet to come. Winston believes in you. Don't give up. Remember your why. You can do it. Stay positive and try your best and trust the rest. This is Fountain Pen Winston. Happy Mail packages. Gloomy Winston. I'm not sure if that's the exact phrase. Of course, some of these I don't know if it's the exact phrase of it, but you get the gist of it. This is one that has different faces of Winston. Popcorn, so for movies and things like that, fairs, anything that you would normally get popcorn at. Not today, Winston. This is a Winston that has pens or pencils in his hand. Birthday Winston. Oh, I got a second heart one. I will say that some of her things, you get to choose if you want neutrals or brights or pastels and things like that. So I think a couple of them, I might have got two different ones. Let's see if I can find the other one real quick. You can see my nails are coming off. But that's okay. Well, let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah. See, this is more primary colors, brighter. This is more neutral. Laundry. Cameras. So photography, Winston. Play button, Winston. Another laundry, just a washing machine with Winston sticking out. Might be a washing machine, could be a dryer, whatever. Cleaning, so chores, and packing. So that's my little Nightingale Paper Shop haul with my little Winston characters that I think will go so nice with my Coffee Monster Co. characters. If you have any questions, just put them below and I'll try to answer whatever I can. Until next time, bye-bye.